here are my chambourcin. I don't know if I'm saying that right, chambourcin, but it's spelled correctly if you read the video content. So I planted these. These are from Double A Orchard in New York, and I bought 3 of them, and they're all really happy, and they're producing grapes, which I'm surprised because from what I read, most grape plants are not going to produce their first year. And also what I've read, which is going to be very painful, is I should cut the fruit, because in the first year what you want is all of the energy to stay, you know, to remain in the roots and then getting a strong stem system. And when a plant is producing fruit, it takes up so much energy, and what you want to do is cut it so the plant is not spending its time and energy producing fruit. So I'm actually going to cut these, which is very painful, but it should ensure a much healthier plant in years to come. Not a fun project, but you know, if I want these plants to be really strong, then I have to take the fruit off and make sure the energy is, you know, staying in the root system. Got one more. You can see some damage from the deer here, but I'm just taking them off. Probably should have done this sooner actually, because you can see that the grapes are already, you know, they were sizing up pretty good. That meant that the plant is using nutrition and water and energy to make these. And like I've said, we want the energy to stay here and below the soil, because the better the roots, the better the plant for the future.